What's up, YouTube? Sacred Sage here, and I'm back with another video. This one's going to be short and sweet. It's going to be just about some settings that you can change. As you can tell, my Daz looks different. This is how I normally run Daz. I like the light version versus the dark version. So that's the first thing that I'll show you guys how to change. So we come up here to, Windows, Style, Select Style, and then from here, I'm using the highway version, which changes it to white and other differences I'll show you in a second. This is the standard, the dark side, highway, and then mainstream. Actually, it might be mainstream I'm using, but they look pretty similar. You can change it to whatever you want, though. There should be a way to... Oops, I did not mean to preview that. There should be a way to customize it. There we go. So with this, you can do whatever you want with it. You can change it to blue if you want. So it's just whatever you prefer. They have it fully customizable. I just kept with the basic one. So the color looks, a little bit lighter and everything. It also has these sliders look different. And then if you actually select something and go over here, these look a little different too. All right, the next thing I want to explain or show you guys is preferences. So whenever I start a new scene up, this one already has some stuff. I already have a scene loaded in. But if I start a new scene, I will automatically have, let me just go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and click on new, yes. But I will automatically have a new camera, a new spotlight, point light, whatever you want to call it, not point light, eye catch. Sometimes I use a spotlight, sometimes I use a primitive. So I'll automatically have that in on a new scene. As soon as I hit new, boom. All right, wait for it to load up here. All right, here we go. And forgot, that's on my other PC. So I will go ahead and walk through what we're gonna do. I'll show you guys after I set it up, since I'm on the wrong PC. All right, so edit, preferences. Now, here's the general preferences, the folder, and whatnot. Check for updates. But if you go over here to startup, right? So on launch, you can load a certain file, show the login page if you wanted, automatically log in, all sorts of stuff, right? Scenes on new. So on new, I want it to automatically bring up, let's see, oops, let's go into here, scene subsets, and we'll just do the startup scene basics. I actually have the file already over here. Create a default camera as soon as it logs in. So as soon as it loads in, bam, this file is going to be loaded, and I'll have a default. So on startup, you can do the same exact thing. So you can choose whatever file or whatnot that you want. I don't do that, but it's there. There's a lot of other things that you can mess with. I have not really fiddled too much with this type of thing, but I just worry about that startup because I got sick of always loading in the cameras and loading in the primitives and eye catch for my models and everything. So I made sure that at least that's taken care of. So my setup is I'd work on one PC and I transfer everything to this one. That's why this one wasn't already set up. All right, so let's go ahead and apply these. Hit accept. So when I hit a new one, bam. As you can see, here's my catch light that I have. Somewhere. It's there. Just don't know where. So let's see where we're at. Oh, I am on the catch light. Herpaderp. There's my catch light. And then I got 3 of them on this setup. So I can boom, boom, and boom, whichever reflection I want in the eyes. I got all 3 of them set up here on a camera and a spotlight. I don't use this setup anymore. I just pull in what I need or want. So I normally, if it's like wide open, I'll use the Taurus here because it takes up so much space, and there's always a window around to catch the reflection of that stupid thing. So I only use that one when I'm outside now. But yeah, that's how you set up on your startup menus and your different styles or whatnot that you want to use in Daz3d. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Think about subscribing, support the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.